Hello guys, it's me again. Bagay pala sa akin na maiksi ang buhok. Anyway, kapag tayo mag video, wala lang, boring, lagi namang alone, and wala akong luto ngayon, so it's really boring. Wait ko yung isa. It's almost 7 o'clock here. Sorry. Sa suot ko. Paano ba ito ibaliktad? Hindi ko alam. Paano ito ibaliktad? Binabad ko yung buhok ko ng ang tawag nito, coconut pen. Like, alam mo yun? Parang gano'n. O, parang bata ako, no? Wala lang guys, pasensya na kayo sa ko kasi I'm going to take bath and kaya ganito. Pasensya na. Wala lang. Guys, boring ko. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Help me. How to decide. Wala akong kausap. Guys, pasensya na sa camera. Hindi ko alam paano ba kaya ay natin mag-double cam. Para itong parang tawag ito. Sinaunang panahon. Bagay sa akin maiksi ang buhok. Diba? Oh. Guys, actually, gusto kong umuwi. Tapos, wala akong visa. So, inaantay ko pa yung permit ko. Kaya lang, naghahanap pa ako ng employer para ma-permit. At I'm praying that yung isa papayag. I miss work. Iba pa rin yung may trabaho tayo, diba guys? Kapoy, walay trabaho, grabe, as in para na akong papraning dito. Alam mo yun, yung I'm not used to like depending on someone. I'm not used to ask solid. Oh, hindi na ako makakita. Sorry for that. Actually, naglalagay na ako ng glasses. Kaya, hindi ko na nakikita. At minsan na rin ako nakahawak ng phone, especially pag nandito yung isa is not here anyways. So, I was not here. Pero, huwag siya ng lunch. Ngayon, wala akong luto eh. No, bakit sa akin na maiksi ang buhok? Promise. Pagkat na ako pa, baka magalit yung isa. Diba? Guys, talaga, just having natuduling yung mata ko, promise, totoo yan. Hindi ko makontrol yung isa ito. Hindi ko makontrol siya. Para siyang kumaganon, parang, hindi kumaganon ba? Ano ba kayang dapat kong inumin? Alam mo, kung walang to, mukha na akong nanay. Mukha na akong matanda. Kasi, well, I'm 45 years old, so, matanda na talaga. Okay. Wala akong makausap eh. So, intindihin nyo na lang po. kailangan ko lang na like i-open yung, gin- yung anxiety ko, or how we call this, like maybe I'm stage of menopause or whatever, but nagkaka-anxiety ako, parang depressed ako, parang natidrain ako, parang gusto ko may kausap talaga, but I'm a private person. Pero mabubuang ka talaga, as in alone. How will you get be better na having this yung treatment, I mean not treatment, I'm taking medicine for my um, basta I'm taking medicine as my age is not getting any younger, kaso I feel parang gusto ko umuwi, I wanna go home, I wanna just, well, I'm resting here, but ang inisip, guys, if I go home, wala lang trabaho, wala mabibigay sa akin, and at least here meron. Actually, alhamdulillah, we have we eat proper food. Is very important to me is yung he prays. So ayoko namang iwanan yung ganun na important talaga ang prayer. Really important ang prayer, because kung wala ang prayer, as in titisirin, parang gigisahin ka ng sarili mong utak na ganun-ganun, para bang really konti na lang maturiring ka dito. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung sarili ko na it's just ang bilis ng panahon na yung I lost my job, I mean don't have job, I came here, I just choose this life, like simple, having a simple family, like like treated like gawain, well, I'm doing that is my job for working, I mean yung may something na kailangan kong kailangan kong may kulang, hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko, maybe baliw na, intindihin nyo na lang, guys. Wala, yung alam mo yung I used to help people, I used to get, because I got work, I used to help people, I used to buy my own things, and I don't depend on anybody. Now I don't have the work, I feel bored, I feel drained, I feel like so upset, and I feel like crying. I don't know, I know nobody to talk to. I can't even open up to my relatives, all this thing, and my friend, especially because I don't know if it is basta I'm a private person. Nahirapan lang ako talaga sa sitwasyon ko, like at 45, I don't know if I can apply back abroad. If I will go home, and siguro mahirap na and sa aking mga nararamdaman din. So dito, syempre may umaga sa akin, may nagpapakain sa akin. So just the feeling that I wanna go home, even for holiday. The thing is, I was trapped here, like locked here, because I cannot go out. The language is I can't understand, and it's difficult. I only depend on translation, and even though I go outside, I speak English, so they know that, hey, this is new here or whatever. But I need to get my work permit visa so that I can work, right. But it takes months. I don't know where we can find the prospective employers. It's just really draining. Oh, forgive me kung ano ito yung emotional lang ko. Pasensya na sa damit ko. It's very hot here. Really, ang init. Grabe, ang init. Parang Pilipinas din. still alive, right? I'm still grateful and thankful that Allah provides all our needs and we wake up blessed and we have proper food and ano, hindi ko alam. Sorry, that's it. I don't know. Please give me some idea. Hindi ko alam. Yung pang, yung friend ko sabi sa akin, napaka, yung secretive, ganun. Masyado kang masekreto. You didn't open anything. You're just like that. So just saying, you're here already, but you didn't know, like that. You didn't know that I'm waiting, I'm expecting you like this. So, it's just like, I want to settle my own problem first, and I want to settle things before I will be speaking to anybody, my friends and family, like that. Because I used to be the one who helped. Sometimes ate is tired also, but ate doesn't have a ate. But just, meron namang makikinig sa akin, di ba po? I will always pray. Bagay sa akin isang book, diba? Pero magalit na naman yung isa. Diba? Oh, he's here. Okay, bye-bye.